Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to get votes from the events of Project Create M5 on Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log in into your Mobile Legends account, and if you already log in, you can go to events menu over here on the left. And in this event menu you can click or choose the project create over here, and then if you already on the project create menu, you can click the get votes to get votes like this, and then you can claim the project create vote by logging in into the game, and then you will get to project create vote. And if you want get more project create vote, you can complete one match and share the event and show support for your favorite design. And this time the design is for M5 guys, for M5, for recall, for summon or spawn, and then also for recall. Okay, so here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.